Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will add our character and environment to our project. For that, go ahead and download these two Unity package files. The first one is character pack, the second one is environment. Okay, and let's double click on the environment. Then it will open up Unity and it will give you this window, import Unity package. Okay, so in here, as you can see, we have this whole environment. What I will do, I will click on import and it will take few seconds, and after that you will find this game folder, and inside the game folder you will have this env folder or environment folder. Okay, here is the 3D model of the environment. Okay, as you can see right here, this is the environment. So now what we're gonna do, right here we have this sample scene. Okay, so inside the sample scene we will add this. So what I will do, I will simply drag and drop it right here in the hierarchy, and after that, as you can see, it is loaded. Okay, make sure that you reset the transform of the TDM map. Okay, and once you do that, then you can zoom in and see the whole environment right here. Okay, for now this doesn't have any lightning. Actually, let me select the main camera, directional light and global volume, and let's click on reset on this as well. Okay, now what I will do is click on window, then rendering, and then click on lightning. Okay, let's add this window right there, and now as you can see, we don't have any lightning settings, so I will click on new. Okay, as you can see, it has created a new lightning thing right here. Then let me click on this auto generate right here, and also make sure that this box is checked as well. Okay, then let's click on environment, and from here you can increase this intensity multiplier like this in order to add lightning to your scene. Okay, let me move the main camera where it is right here. Okay, and you can see inside the main camera right here the map. Alright, so as you can see, here it is. You can increase or decrease this value. Okay, I will leave this value as, let's just say, 4. Okay, and after this you can also add your sensors, but I will not be adding that. Okay, after all of that, let's click on this box right here to add fog in our environment. Okay, like this. Okay, now as you can see, the background is a little bit foggy. Okay, so as you can see, everything is looking good. Okay, and you can actually delete this character from here if you want. Okay, the reason we have this character in this environment is when I was designing this map. Okay, so I added a character in order to create these entrances according to the player height. Okay, so you can delete this character. Let me check it out where this character is. Okay, the character is by the name Luke. Okay, so you can delete it or deactivate it. Okay, and before deleting it, make sure that you click on this unpack completely. Okay, or else you will not be able to delete it. All right, so once you do that, now as you can see, everything is looking good. Okay, this is our whole environment. After this, now What we're gonna do is to add the characters as well. So let's double click on the character package as well. In a minute, it will then give you this import Unity package window. Okay, let's click on import, and it is imported as well in under 30 seconds. Here is the folder PBR Military Pack. Okay, and let me tell you that this PBR Military Pack is available on the Unity Asset Store, so you can just go ahead and get it from there. Okay, because I don't own this PBR Military Pack, but I own this TDM environment. Okay, because I have created this in Blender. Alright, so once you have the PBR Military Pack in here, you can click on this PBR Soldier, then go inside the prefab, and in here you will find this soldier. Okay, we have these 5 soldiers right here, as you can see, and also for the soldiers we have the animations as well. Okay, so now once all of these things are added inside your own project as well, after this we are ready to start work on our scripts. Okay, so in the next video we will continue our work on this project.